Hello everyone. Today I'm going to decorate my console table, the table behind me here. Although many of you have wound up doing your decorations, but New Year is still there, and many people they are still decorating for New Year. I have two new flower vases here that I'm thinking to use, one of them, and the other one, the second one, is this one. They both are very beautiful pieces, and I think I would choose this one. It will look very nice because I am using the tall branches to decorate, and this one already is tall, so this would be the perfect one. So first of all, I'm using these teal color shiny maple leaves. I have 4 of them. I don't know how many I will use. Let's see. I have this branch which I'm going to put the maple leaves on this one. To hold it sturdy, I will use this sponge and so put that branch here. Okay, so this is the base. And I'm going to make a bow here. So I put fresh water jar over here inside because I'm going to use some of the fresh junipers, and the water will keep them green for a long time, fresh for a long time. Okay, so this flower vase is ready. I used fresh juniper and the other artificial berries and leaves. So this would go on that console table, and I will decorate the rest of the things later. So the console table is all decorated. I hope you enjoyed the process. And from the joy of gardening, I wish you all a very happy new year 2026. May you all have a healthy, happy year ahead. And don't forget to subscribe and share the video. Bye.